Hello you people, how y'all doing? Today there won't be no webcam because I'm still trying to figure out the issues with my webcam, but that's not really necessary. I just wanted to update all of you guys on the changes to my script that I've made. So one of the major changes that I've added is the ability to record your desktop this time around. So during my live streams, a lot of people were reporting that there was any like audio and stuff like that. I was like, okay. So in some apps the audio did work, but in most cases it didn't. So I have fixed it now. Audio is now working. And pretty much what's happening now with the script is the file sizes are much larger because we're getting also the output of some sound. So to demonstrate, I'm going to run this clip right now. So which is my intro, which has a green screen for the chroma key and such. That doesn't matter, but you could most likely hear the audio. And onto the changes to the script then. So what you want to look for is by typing this command into your terminal. If you type this command in, what you wanna look for is something that says something along the lines of a monitor. Specifically in the device description, you wanna look for this string which says monitor of built-in audio analog stereo. And once you find this, you want to look for the ID or the index, and if you look up here you'll find the index. So in my case it's index number 3. You want to remember the index. By the way, it might be different for your system. In my case it's index number 3. So what you want to do then, after knowing the index, is going into the script, which I don't have open. I'll open it real quick inside of Vim. It's the screen recorder sh, and what you want to do is you want to find this string with the fpols section. So this is the new section that has been added to the script, and you want to change this number 3 right here to the index that we found, which in my case was number 3. In your case it might be something different. Another change to the script was the scaling. I changed the scaling to 720p, so it's scaled down, so I don't have to re-render it. I can just upload it as it is, which makes it much easier for me to record. And then there is some audio compression going on. Basically, I'm trying to compress it down. I'm using the H.264 codec, set the preset to ultra fast, so it's recording at a much faster speed. Pixel format, this defines the color space. I have used this one. Don't know exactly why I picked this one, but this one seems to be working with my system. You might want to experiment with this one. And I've added the same change to my stream script. So if you let me open this up, oops, not the same file. Stream script.sh, oops, sample. I haven't added it in, but basically it's the same thing. I've added it into the same section. So you'll just have to trust me. I've added the exact same section right behind the where is it? So basically I added it right behind the ALSA section after it also ends with the default, which is for my microphone. I added in this pulse section with the filter also I should explain this, the filter complex image. This pretty much lets me record with the audio in the background running, and this defines the channels, so we're using 2 audio channels. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll if you wanna be informed, this section has been also added to the stream script, so you guys should be able to hear me if I'm going to stream tomorrow possibly. So this was a quick update video. I'm currently using this script to record. If you don't trust me, as you can see, it's running over here. It's currently recording me. Obviously the file sizes are much bigger this time around because we're recording the sound of my desktop in the background, so it makes sense for it to be larger. We're not using the camera because it's still laggy as all hell, so if anyone knows a fix for the laggy camera, which was the latest video I put up today, just let me know. It will really help me out a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope this will be of some use for all of you. Also, one other thing I want to mention, I had here a prepared, where is it? You can pretty much, there is a alternative version of that command. You can also use, where is it? It was under device description. Yeah, so what you can do is you can run this command, and you can also add a grep along with the device description, and it will give you the list of device descriptions, and the way you would count is like 0, 1, 2, and then 3. So for me it's the third one because it counts like 0, 1, 2, and 3. So you can use this improved command if you want to, but it's up to you. Just a small note. So yeah, see ya.